My name is Peter Salemi, metrology engineer here at KRC Machine Tool Solutions. At KRC, we're dedicated to keeping your equipment running at optimal performance with our laser calibration and alignment systems. In order to offer the best service possible, we choose to use the best laser systems available, including API Radian laser trackers, RENISHAW linear positioning lasers, and HAMR laser levels. Our API Radian laser tracker makes the use of two actual lasers, an IFM and an ADM laser. IFM being the most accurate laser in the world, and an ADM laser makes it portable. The beam could be broken and then reestablished and still accomplish exceptional accuracy. What we measure with the Radian tracker is any positional errors, any rotary errors, any geometric errors, squareness and flatness as well. The RENISHAW ball bar system has the ability to show backlash, positional error, positional performance, and also it interpolates a pattern to check the forward and reverse motions of multiple axes at the same time. The HAMR level system is one of the industry standards in leveling and alignment of equipment. The HAMR level has proven itself for years to be the top in its class. The first thing KRC does is we arrive on site and assess the situation, make sure that we have a safe working environment. We take all the necessary precautions. We supply all of the necessary safety equipment. Once we're there, we set up the equipment and allow it to acclimate to your environment. Shortly thereafter, we'll plan a strategy with one of your operators to make sure that the equipment is operated in the same manner that it is on a day-to-day basis. We'll start with our measurements. Generally, most measurements can be taken within a few hours. Once our measurements are complete, we will produce a complete report. The report will have detailed instructions on what our findings are. It will also have an executive summary on what we suggest that you do to repair your problem. The one thing that sets KRC apart from all the others is not only do we have the state-of-the-art equipment to perform all the necessary tests, we also have the technicians to actually repair those problems if we find any. We are trained in asset reliability to not only repair the problems, but find out exactly why those problems happen. We will put together an asset reliability plan for you. We give you a complete report of what our findings were, how it was fixed, what we did to remedy the situation, and also why those problems actually took place. And then we monitor those reasons. For example, the frequencies of bearings when they're going bad. We listen for those frequencies with our sound equipment and our vibration analysis. With those analytics, we can tell when that equipment is likely to fail within a high degree of certainty. At KRC, we know how critical it is to maintain compliance within your industry standards. After we're done, we will give you the documentation to certify your equipment to stay in compliance in your industry. We calibrate all types of machines, all makes, all models, all controls. We have the technicians, the experience, and technology to offer what you need to keep your equipment running at optimal performance. For any questions that you may have on anything you've seen here today or anything else that KRC may be able to help you with, reach out to us at krcmachinetoolsolutions.com. Thank you.